I'm gonna make a new project, and here we have this cube. We can either let me activate screen first. Preference screencasts, yes, it's on, and we have screencasts, yeah. So we have this cube. You can see what I'm doing here. So we can either click Shift D to duplicate, but you don't move the mouse, because if you move the mouse, this gonna move. So Command Z, click Command Z. So you just Shift D, enter, you press enter, and now you have, and you click on the move tool. Now you have two cubes above each other, or you can simply click on add mesh cube, and now you have two cubes each other here. And now if I am in object mode, so the thing you have to take care that you are on layout mode and object mode, and click on move tool here, so these lines will appear. So if I click edit mode, or shortcut is tab, so I can edit only one project, and here you have to click on move tool again. So if I'm in edit mode, I only can edit one by the time. So to edit both of them, so the first way is to join or to connect two objects, is click the first one and hold shift, click the shift button and click the other one. Now you see the first one with orange lines around, and this is with light orange, this is dark orange. And now you just click Command G, or if you have it here, join, Command G, don't have it. Now if I go to edit mode, I have two objects at the same time where I can edit it. I will use shortcut here. I went to object mode, and now before that, if I go back, I have the pivot point for this object, and this is a pivot point for this object. But when I select shift, I hold shift and select the other one and make Command G, I have the pivot point move to the second object I selected. So I go to edit mode now. I want to connect. The second way is to connect this object also, is if I click both of them and click F, it's mean fill. I think you get it somewhere here, mesh fill. I don't use it. I always use fill here, but you just click F. I click F. I don't think if it doesn't work, write something on the comment so I can check it. Maybe you have to activate some plugin. Enable add-on only. This is the add-on I already enabled. So go on and find it. So this one I downloaded from internet. You're not gonna have it. And this one, I guess, maybe, I don't know if, yeah, this one and this one is pipe, nightmare, and screen keys. You're probably not gonna have it. Everyone with Web 3D, this is made with Blender, so everything has sign. This one, have Blender sign, you're gonna have it already installed. So you just search for it here, and I will deactivate pool here. I'm gonna show you later how you activate it. This is the add-on, I have it on my computer. So if you wanna activate, let's say, pool. So this is the pool tool, you just click it and it's already activated. It's auto save here, or you have to click on save. So, and why I use pool, I will tell you. I click this both and I make F. Now they are connected. The other way, but it's not closed here. You see it's empty. Why? Because we are on edit mode, vertices. And if you go lines, so it's turned to lines. Or edges, if we say. So if we click both of them and we click F, you see F, it's filled. But you have to double check always when you have this way of filling. Click on face orientation and see blue lines means good, means the line facing outward. If you have it somehow, if you have, let me click on faces. If you have this face, let me just mesh normal inside. If you have it red like this one, if you have it red like this one, just click on it and go to mesh normals, flip outside, flip outside. Oh my gosh, mesh, let's say flip, so it's become blue. It should be blue from this side. And to double check also here, this is the third way of connecting two vertices or two objects. If we say, if I connect these two and I click F and this one and I click F, now they are, you think they are connected here, but they are not connected. If I go here and I subdivide it, we have a point here. If I move this point, it moves with it. So these are not connected. So with F, it's not probably connected. You have to click on G. You see shortcut here, G. So it's connected, and you have these also lines, and press G. And now if I grab these vertices and I move it, they are connected. But there is downside with it. You cannot do G here. I cannot click G here. Look, it's just snapped the other way. So if I delete this face, for example, X for delete, and I say delete face. Now I go to vertex mode. I click both of them and click G. Say I cannot connect it because we have empty face here, so he doesn't connect it. So you only have to do it with F to connect it with F. And if you want to better way to connect it is to go to edge selection and you select both of them and just click F. Sometimes if you click one of the edges and click F, it works, but it doesn't work here. Let me check this side. No, it doesn't work here. So F, it's already connected here, you see. And always when you use F, always double check with face orientation if it's right, because sometimes it's not, sometimes it's not. So sometimes it's like mesh, it's one of them is red, and this is very difficult when you wanna texture the object. So let's go face orientation. Face orientation is very important to check time by time. So if you are using modeling, so this is how to connect to two objects. Sometimes you have these edges and you want to connect it. This is other way to do it. Let's not to talk about it now, but I'm gonna make different tutorial about it. Leave me comment down below if you're interested in. So I will delete this one and I will add a new cube and I will add a new, let's see, a cylinder. If we have two cylinders, this is different way to connect two objects. I mean, if I have these two objects here, I click one of them and hold shift click button and click the other one, how you see the dark orange and light orange, and if I click command G to join, now they are both one object. But the problem is when you go to edit mode, when you go to wireframe, you see it's still inside, so it's still too much faces in the object. So I go to object mode again, go to solid mode, and I make command Z. Now the other way, I told you I go to first I have to activate pool tool. I already showed you how to activate it. You just search pool and activate it and be sure it's saved. And now when I click on N, and now if I click this one, this little, or if you click N, by the way, for this to navigate, or T for this one if it's hidden somewhere. So T for tools. So N, I go to edit, oops, and you have this pool tool here. You have auto pool and brush boolean. You choose auto pool, don't choose brush boolean, and you make union here. And somehow it has some bugs, because you choose this one first. But if I choose this one first, you see how the orange is turned, but not this way. And you click on union. Now if I go to edit mode, wireframe, it's still in. So sometimes works, sometimes doesn't work. It's a little bit strange. Let's see, edit mode, wireframe, now it disappeared. So it has some bug, I guess. So you have to work with, you have to like work with it. But the only difference between auto boolean and brush boolean is this one, when you click it, you still can edit it. So if you go to edit mode, and I see it, let's go to object mode again, and if you move this one, you see you're still moving it. Let's click this one first and this second and go to difference. So now if I move this one, I can still decide where I want it to be, because maybe you're not 100% sure where you want it. So let's say I want it here. I say apply brush. Now it's applied. And I guess you can delete that one. X delete. Or the other way is you choose that one, you go to add modifier and you click on Boolean, and here you say union or difference. I will say union. I'm gonna union with either click here to choose the cube, or you click that one to choose it here. Now it's already union, but you have to click on apply. But the problem now, I guess, here. No problems. And if you go to edit mode, I go to wireframe, it's already union. See how it is? And this is how to connect two objects, or I already show you how to connect vertices. And there is a way also to connect multi vertices together, and that's if we go to object mode and we click on A to select everything, but we have the camera and no, we want just to delete this one. X delete. I'm gonna have add cylinder, and I'm gonna add mesh another cylinder. So now we have two cylinders. I'm gonna command G to connect them together. Go to edit mode by tab, and I'm gonna delete these faces, X faces, and I'm gonna click on edges. I have already activated input here. I have clicked here, I guess, and I click on OS key. Don't know if you're gonna have it. Save. Gonna click here and Alt. So click here, hold the Alt button as you see, and click anywhere here. And now I'm gonna click Shift. So click that one. Now we have it. I'm gonna have, for Mac it's F F3 to have this search button. I'm gonna say bridge edge loop, and it's connected. Let's see if we have it here. Yes, if you click right button you have bridge edge loops, and now it's connected. You can only do it with vertices mode and edges mode. I don't think you can make it with faces mode, because faces cannot be connected. So this is everything about connecting two objects, or connecting vertices or faces, or edges. If you think if you're watching the video and you think I forget something, write me down in the comments. And if you like this video, please give me a thumb up. This has really helped me to make more videos, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. I'm planning to make more videos in the future. See you.